whose duty is to serve and protect, performs daily heroic acts, with a range from daily small heroic deeds, or even offering an ultimate sacrifice in their mission to protect the communities they serve, that all too often go unnoticed by the public or the mainstream press. These fallen heroes' untimely death is not only loss for the organization and for the country, but most especially to their families, siblings, sons, and daughters' opportunity for better financial support to have a quality education, as majority of them are family breadwinners, or as fathers and mothers of children who value education. This caused Ambassador Benedicto V. Yuhuico, the President of Philippine Chambers of Commerce and Industry, now the Chairman of the Bayaning Police Foundation Incorporated, to easily accept the proposal from the Philippine National Police and National Advisory Group for Police Transformation and Development through the implementation of the PNP Patrol Plan 2030 to realize the shared dream of establishing the Bayaning Police Foundation Incorporated, established to provide educational and other forms of assistance and other benefits to children or dependents of PNP personnel who died or become permanently incapacitated in the performance of their duties. October 2020, the soft launching of the foundation happened, coinciding with the signing of the Articles of Incorporation and Constitution and Bylaws by the Board of Trustees through the efforts of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, PCCI, and the Philippine National Police through the Center for Police Strategy Management. During this event, 3 initial beneficiaries were given hope for a better education and life opportunity. Miss Katrina May Magno, the daughter of the late Police Senior Master Sergeant Jason Magno, who willingly and readily sacrificed himself to save others, mostly students of Inipao College in Misamis Occidental, from grenade explosion. Also, Mr. Xander Guantero Magaldan, son of Master Sergeant Alexis Burillo Magaldan of the Special Action Force, who is among the gallant heroes of the Marawi Siege. And Miss Jean Saring Agabao Resurrection, the daughter of Police Major Joan Resurrection, the Chief of Police of Carmen Police Station in North Cotabato, who fell by a bullet during the hot pursuit operation of a murder suspect. The chairman of the foundation, Ambassador Benedicto Yuhuico, together with the Board of Trustees, shared the advocacy to care for the dependents of police officers who sacrificed their lives for love and service to the country, and who firmly believe what our national hero Jose Rizal once said: "The youth is the hope of our future." And now, the chairman, Ambassador Benedicto Yuhuico, together with the foundation president, retired Police Brigadier General Noel A. Baraceros, and all the Board of Trustees, stakeholders, are working together to make this foundation institutionalized. Their efforts include the establishment of web-based platform, not only to provide platform for donations, but to provide awareness on the advocacy, transparency, and send the message to all police officers that someone cares for them and wishes to render a lifelong salute for their selfless service to the country. The Bayaning Police Foundation Incorporated. Police heroes, thank you for sacrificing your lives so that others may live. Thank you for your service.